Good morning, Shem Stars. Welcome to mathematics class. Today we will do lesson number 12, time. In this chapter, we will learn time, reading time, one day in my life, days of the week, months of the year, word problems. Let us learn time with the help of clock. Look at the clock. We are having numbers from 1 to 12 in the clock, and we are having two hands of the clock. One is short and one is long. The short hand of a clock is called as hour hand. The long hand of a clock is called as minute hand. Now we will learn how to find the time in the clock. The hour hand is at 3 in the clock and minute hand is at 12. So the time by this clock is 3 o'clock, or we will write 3 2 dots 0 0. This is the time 3 o'clock in the clock. That means the time by the clock showing is 3 o'clock. The long hand of the clock is called minute hand, as we have discussed earlier, and the short hand is also called as the hour hand. And we know that there are 24 hours in a day, and the hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next number. Means if this hour hand moves from 3 to 4, it will move in 1 hour, and it completes one round of the clock face every 12 hours. Means one round of the clock is completed in 12 hours. The minute hand, however, moves faster than hour hand. Minute hand moves faster and completes one round of the clock face in 1 hour. Minute hand moves faster as compared to hour hand. Now we will learn activity 1 based on this. Question number 1 is write the time. So first part we are having the hour hand is on 6 and minute hand is at 12. That means the time by this clock is 6 o'clock, or we can write 6:00. Next we are having the hour hand is at 5, the minute hand is at 12. That means the time by this clock is 5 o'clock, or we will write 5:00 dots. Then the third figure is showing hour hand is at 11, minute hand is at 12. So the time by this clock is 11 o'clock. So this is question number 1. Next is we are having question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A part is there are dash hours in a day. So as we know, there are 24 hours in a day. B part we are having the long hand of a clock is also called minute hand of the clock. C part we are having the short hand of a clock is also called dash hand. That means short hand is called as hour hand. Very good. D part is the long hand completes one round of the clock in dash hour. In 1 hour. Very good. Now you have to complete question number 2 in your book as well as in your notebook, and question number 1 in book only, and write down the highlighted points in your notebook. Tomorrow we will do reading time. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom.